Hey there, budget-savvy viewers. Did you know that the average American has over $6,000 in credit card debt? Yep, that's right. If you're looking to get your finances in order, you've come to the right place. Welcome to today's video on budgeting hacks you need to know right now. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you take control of your finances. Budgeting can be tough. From overspending to struggling to save money, many of us face common challenges. So how can we tackle these hurdles? One key tip is to create a monthly budget. By outlining your income and expenses, you can see where your money is going. Cutting out unnecessary expenses and setting financial goals can help you stay on track. Have you heard of the 50-30-20 rule? Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings. Automating your savings can also be a game changer. Set up automatic transfers to effortlessly build your nest egg. To recap, create a monthly budget, embrace the 50-30-20 rule, and automate savings. These strategies can transform your financial well-being. If you want more money-saving advice, subscribe to our channel and share your favorite budgeting tips in the comments below. Let's help each other achieve our financial goals together. Thanks for watching.